touching that.
Toby got himself a haircut. Let's see, turn your head. Well, Jesse, you're going up, bud.
The top of your hair is so long until you shave it.
Bethany, have you shown everyone your hair yet? You should show your hair. You don't want to show your hair? Are you ashamed of it?
No.
It looks so cute. It's so different.
I know. That? What do you mean?
Like, shake it. Shake it around. Oh, yeah. She's a wild child. Look at the camera. 1, 2, 3. We're the Boyd family!
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now.
Uh-oh. Hot? Yeah, it's time for hot.
All right, it's moving day. We are heading to... Yay! We are heading to Houston today to a new RV park. We have been here for 1 week. It's been nice to kind of just get to slow down and enjoy the RV park. The Wi-Fi here has been terrible, so we haven't been able to upload videos properly and get things done like we need to, so we decided not to stay here longer than that. So we are moving to a new RV park near Houston, which is where we need to be anyways next week for our Hanson concert. So that's where we're heading. Hopefully everything runs well with the bus. There wasn't a lot of smoke when we got here, so we'll see how it goes. Here we go!
Well, this was a really nice RV park. We had a little splash pad ahead and a pool.
And a pump.
What's he giggling about? I'm not really sure.
Oh my love, you're such a fragile thing, I know. But I'm it all.
Wait a minute. He can't be dead. He's in the next book. Okay, guys, he's not dead. I reacted too quickly. He's not dead. It's okay. Everything's all right. It's fine. Still alive so far.
I'm lying.
We are almost at the RV park, and then we can get settled. We're here. We're here. We're here. Oh my gosh. We have parked the bus. It's finally positioned. Now we have to get everything hooked up.
I'm on the boat standing on it. And it doesn't slide up. It's illegally. I can't touch the
Now we just gotta organize the bus and get everything set up. And food! Oh my gosh, food. This RV park is really nice. They've got huge, giant.
I'm surprised that they let us in. And they got a pool.
And they got a pool.
What are you gonna do there?
Jump in the pool and swim and then hop in the hot tub, go back to the pool and coming back.
excited to go to the pool there, Jesse?
Pool noodles.
Do you want to go to the pool, Levi?
People there.
So you can meet new friends. It's a business. Dad, it's still kind of big on his hand though.
Tiny one.
Bethany! Hey baby, how you doing? Oh, sorry.
Don't worry about the cold just yet. The trees haven't started to shed. Just feel the summer sun as it warms our bed.
Jumping in just so that no one to catch you.
We got all the July.
I'm jumping in.
You jumping in? With who?
Catching you. Apparently I am. You're gonna jump in first.
I'll swim under Rebecca.
Where are you gonna go?
I'll just swim under Rebecca.
You best. Let's do it again.
Oh, what are you doing?
Levi, Levi, what are you doing?
The next one.
Oh, are you drinking the puddle? That's gross.
Drinking the puddle.
No. You had your cup. Do you want your cup?
What? Okay, ready?
Is everybody getting hungry? Yeah.
I'm having a hard time standing on flat feet. I'm trying to hold my breath.
Jesse, jump in. Here he goes. He likes to walk off the road.
Careful. No, not from there. You gotta walk over here. You gotta walk over here.
Are you
Michael bought some reflectors. Trying to help keep the sun out
Our panoramic views
and the cool in.
are amazing.
We're gonna keep one side open because the sun's only on one side at a time. So one side will be open at the end of the day. When the sun's coming in that side, we'll move all of this reflectix over to this side. Adri is working on our logo. She's been working on that a lot for the last few weeks, trying to perfect it, figure out what we want.
Only 45 feet on both sides. It'll be fun. Can't wait. Hashtag having so much fun. This is the unfinished side. That's what it looks like. So you guys know.
Wow, that looks amazing.
Say
Good
ugly.
job, Dad.
Now I want you to, as you walk,
Ugly.
come to the road over here.
My feet are burning.
Mine are burning too.
Now walk by the front. Look at the front. I've done the front.
Done the front. I can't see the front. There's a van in the way.
You gotta get taller.
More focused on the pain of my feet.
Okay.
Do you see the difference?
Man, it looks like a piece of crap.
Toby, the grass is cold.
What do you guys think?
What's different?
Toby, I'm gonna kick your tush. There's a nice, clean line.
I'm looking at the windows. Look how clean they are.
Dang.
Forget about the windows. Look at my job.
What? Which one?
The paint line.
Black one? I don't recognize
What do you think?
that.
The white
Shiny.
above the black is not staggered anymore. It's one line.
I see a little bit of stagger
Hey.
right there.
Gosh.
Yeah, I see some white paint where it shouldn't be.
Okay, thanks guys.
It's supposed to be black there to say
Thanks.
after.
We're gonna be famous. We're gonna be TikTok famous.
All right, we kind of worked our butts off today, or it feels like it. The kids have been begging to go to the pool for about 9 hours. So we're heading there now. We are trying to get the bus cleaned up and ready so we can do a brand new bus tour. It's a lot of work to get a bus ready for that when there's 10 of you living in it and you make a mess all the time. So we're trying to get things cleaned up so that it looks nice. And then tomorrow morning before it's too hot, we can get that tour done and start editing that so that it can go out soon. Michael is gonna do a full bus tour in ASL, in sign
For all our
language.
deaf family and friends and fans.
So that's gonna be kind of exciting. And now we're going to have a little bit of fun and cool off.
Oh yeah, don't take that in the pool.
Hi, Toby.
Good job, girls. Michael's just getting Levi's swim diaper on, and then they'll be out here. Good job, Emmy. Good job, babe. You're a rock star. Well, we just finished filming our second bus tour because we are sadly getting ready to say goodbye to the beautiful bus. And it's sad, but it's also kind of exciting to be doing something new. So the bus tour filming was a little bit crazy, a little bit insane, just cleaning the entire bus and filming it all. And the kids were a part of this one, which I think they really enjoyed, but making sure everyone was quiet while we were filming, making sure that Levi wasn't making too much noise so they couldn't hear Mom talk, getting the right angles and shots, and yeah, it was a little crazy. But I'm also really happy that we got it done because now our bus is super clean. It's much cleaner than it normally is, which I don't know if that's what you're supposed to say when you're filming a tour, but it's really nice. It's not going to stay this way, obviously. For tours, we just like to get rid of the clutter that kind of sits around that we don't really need, but we just don't get rid of it. But everything else is nice and clean and organized, and my pictures are all back on my wall, which is really exciting because the reason I took them down, I've had them up for years, but the reason I took them down was because Levi was getting to the age where he could sort of stand up and just thought if anything was on the wall, it was obviously meant for him to grab it down and crunch it up and throw it on the floor and then stomp on it. I don't want that being done with my pictures, and he did it quite a few times. So finally I took them all down. I stuck all my favorite ones inside my thick fat Jane Austen book to flatten them out. And now he's at the age where he knows you're not supposed to rip those off. Now he just tortures his other siblings in the back. But now I can put my pictures back up and don't have to worry about it, so that's really nice. I have missed my pictures. It is nice having all of my friends near me, even when they're not in person. Oh, I don't know if I've ever actually given you guys a full tour of my bunk. So these are all of my favorite books. I have not read all of them, sadly, but they're the ones I'm supposed to be reading that I haven't been reading. These are the boxes that our Zero Shoes come in, and they are just so cute. They're so nice. They're built really well and sturdy, and they're just adorable, and they fit perfectly on my shelf. There's like hardly any overhang. This one is like my memory box. I put anything that's like a sentimental value, like trinkets from when we traveled places, pictures, cards, letters, that kind of thing. This one is my craft bin. I've gotten super into watercolor lately. Makeup bag, which is full of way more makeup than I ever use, but it's there. I actually hardly ever wear makeup in general. I've got my favorite essential oils. These oils are actually from Revive, which we have links for all of them in the description if you want to go check them out. But these I all bought on my own before we ever got the affiliates. They're all like tree related, which is my favorite smell. So I will put them all together in here with a carrier oil, and then I smell like a forest all day. So it's really nice. I really love all these smells. My favorite is black spruce, so if you like trees, that is the scent I would definitely recommend getting. And obviously I've got like little nooks underneath that I can fit like other things into. These are both art supply type stuff as well. I have my backpack, which I keep all my other backpacks inside of the one backpack. And my songbook for music fits right here, down beside the bed. So all the stuff I need is here. I don't ever feel like I need more stuff. I don't ever feel like I need more stuff or that I don't have enough room for the things I really want. Everything I want is here. In fact, sometimes I go through and I'm like, I got too much stuff. I need to get rid of some things. But these are all my favorite things, and I don't need other stuff. This is all I really need. And I'm actually, I think, the kid with the most amount of stuff. The other kids have even less stuff than me, and they're totally fine with it. Toby just likes his few books that he has, his few movies that he likes, and his favorite hockey cards. No, I can do something funny.
Still no.
Now? No! I can do this all day long.
No.
No.
And still no. And still no.
In the kitchen.
Why? What are you gonna do? Are you balancing? Oh my gosh.
Let's
No,
showing off your moves, boy.
Whoa!
What are you doing, you little monkey?
Since I have no idea,
Yeah!
they just keep coming from my stomach down below and back up again.
Levi, what'd you do? Did you do to an old man fall?
Thank you.
What are you about to do? Jesse.
I want to do it! I need that again. That's good.
Emily and Jesse, do you want an apple?
Yeah. No, I'm an orange.
Emmy, you said yes?
Yeah. He wants to jump off, I think.
Do you guys like having a clean bus?
Yeah.
It's nice.
Oh! You can't stand up on there, bud.
Oh my gosh, Jesse.
No, my baby! No. He likes I knew it.
Here, Emily. Okay, let's not do that again.
Mama.
Jeez. So we filmed our new bus tour this morning, the one in sign language. And after that, I put Levi for a nap. He had a good long sleep. Michael took all the kids swimming for a little bit, and now they're over at the little rec room that they have here. So we are gonna go see what they're up to.
It's a nice place to relax with it. So you walk the bus.
Get the roof.
Got it on the board.
Rebecca.
Yeah, we're back.
What just happened, Toby?
I just got a reply from one of my favorite YouTubers. I asked if I could audition for one of their videos they're making, and they replied and said, "Hi Toby, we appreciate you reaching out to us. If you're able to make it for the day of filming but unable to make it to the auditions, you can send me a video audition and our team will review it. Just tell us a little bit about yourself and what you'd like to do in the video."
And who's your favorite YouTubers?
Jay Stu.
Woo-woo! That'd be awesome.
Oh my gosh. I just saw I had an email, it was probably like Saber Forge or something.
Are you like freaking out inside right now?
A little bit, yeah.
Well, we are now at Walmart going to see if they have any red, green, and blue t-shirts that each kid can pick out the color that they want to wear to the red, green, blue concert tomorrow.
What are you doing? It's exciting.
Right shade. That's way too light.
We're probably gonna have to go to the
too
boys
green.
section for solids.
Okay.
For those kind of solids.
That's, here you go.
$4.
Right here.
Red.
Never green. Looks like nobody can be an Isaac fan.
Okay, that's the blue you want?
There's not really any other greens.
Are you hiding?
Here goes the horn.
He doesn't like the horn. Are you hiding with your little hanger gun?
See, he's like this.
Yeah, he's waiting. Pew, 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 pew.
Got his gun under his pillow. Stop staring at me.